as per usual, we're running late.
I think that we're going to be able to live all the way because you're going to be gone and all they're going to get is me puffing and panting with a camera strapped to my head.
Well, yeah, but we'll just have to do it when you get up to us, won't you? We'll be stopping and starting because we'll be waiting for Maxine to catch up to us.
We've made it approximately 5 metres. We hope you enjoyed the good old bike ride. Thank you. Right, can't wait. Go on, go to Andy.
Yeah.
See if he's got any shoe spanners.
Right, alright.
Alright guys, obviously now we're on a bike ride. We're doing really well. We've got about 5 seconds up the road and back wheel's gone on us. It's popped. Tell you what, right guys, obviously no meetings ended at Awesome Jockey. We're there at 12 tomorrow, don't you worry. I knew I didn't trust it. We've ended up on 2 bikes now because Tandem's got quite ready. It's a big bear. I've got no legs. I can't understand why Tandem's not made it. It's not like we're overweight or anything, Tom, so should have made it easy, but chain went. Tyres are on last stage, brand new tyres by the way. And then we're on bikes now. Well, these tyres don't look like an awful much longer either, so hopefully Tandem can get back in action soon.
And what's happened to you, Thomas?
Me? Don't want to talk about it. Went up 5 hills, threw up. Another 5 hills, threw up. It's going well.
You've done a loop-de-loop and done an extra 10 miles.
I've done an extra 10 miles by accident. I was following. On floor. Had to get him tied to the back of the bike, so get him on back with me. Go on, get me on front, I'll go in basket. Got groggy.
So all in all, it's been a bit of a catastrophe.
No, it's been amazing. I've really enjoyed myself. Really. I think I'd have rather ran. I'll tell you what, I won't be doing another one of these anytime soon, I can tell you that now. I think I need to drop a bit of timber before we start thinking about doing any more of these. We've underestimated it, let's put it that way. I tell you what, when you're going up the mills and wind's blowing against you, you look behind you, you think, yeah, we're going. You look behind you again, you won't move. You don't know what's gone wrong.
Right.
Yeah.
We'll get back on bikes now.
Bit of sugar.
Tell me like a broken man.
Oh, I'm traumatised.
Right, alright.
The wheels popped. We just made it to Abel's Lake and, you know, I felt back tyre buckling. I thought, what's going on here? Definitely scraping up rim or something. Second bike we've gone through today. Come on, Babby. Let's go. My bike's still surviving now.
How do you feel, boys?
Alright, I'm done. Had a little throwing up session at start, just made it through.
You were sick?
Yeah, it was sick. Do I look like an athlete?
No comment.
I think he looks beautiful in his lycra.